For question 1, we are given principal amount of 10,000 ringgit and accumulate amount of 16,280 ringgit and 95 cent and an interest rate of 5% compound annually. So using the compound interest formula, S equal P times open bracket 1 plus I close bracket raised to the power of n. Subtracting the value, we get 16,288.95 equal 10,000 times 1.05 raised to the power of n. Dividing both side by 10,000, giving 1.628895 equal 1.05 raised to the power of n. Taking log and solving for n, we get n equals 10. Then the investment period is 10 years. To solve this question, I use the compound interest formula. The given information is the principal amount is 40,000 ringgit, the accumulated amount is 28,936 ringgit and 40 cent. The investment period is 10 years and the interest is compound quarterly, so the value of M is 4. Next, I subtract all the value into the compound interest formula. Then I divide both sides of the equation by 40,000 to isolate the term containing the interest rate. After that, I took the 40 root on both sides to remove the power of 40. This giving me the value of 1 plus r fraction 4. I then subtracted 1 from both sides and multiplied the result by 4 to find the value of r. So the final answer is 7.34% per annum.
She add another 25. At age 25, she adds another 5,500 ringgit into the same account. So the account keeps earning interest until she turns 27. So first of all, we're gonna we given all these things, we have P1. P1 stand for principal, starting amount 12,000 ringgit. P2 is 5,000 ringgit 500. K is annual interest rate 4.8% equal to 0.048. M is for compound periods per year, is monthly here, and it be 12. T1 is 3, T2, T stand for times, so T2 is 2. I is equal to K divided M, so means 0.048 divided 12, and 1 is M multiplied T, 1, so it means 12 multiplied 3, and 2 is M multiplied T, means 12 multiplied 2. So the formula that we use is S equal P bracket 1 plus K divided M multiply T. For the step 1, we need to make S1 first. So S1 equal 12,000 ringgit bracket 1 plus 0.048 divided 12 bracket 12 multiplied 3. We put this on a calculator. The answer that we have is 3,000 ringgit, 854 ringgit 63 cents. For the step 2, we need to find S2. So the formula is S2 equal S1 plus P2 bracket 1 plus K divided M close bracket M multiply T. So we put the numbers on the formula. S2 equal 854 ringgit 63 cent plus 5,500 bracket 1 plus 0.048 divided 12 bracket 12 multiplied 2. So we make the on the bracket first. that we got bracket 1.1005483, and we put all on the calculator. We got the answer is 21,371 cents. So um the answer for question 1 is 21,000 ringgit 371 cents. Formula for interest is I equal S minus P. So we need to conclude all the P that we have. The P is equal 12,000 ringgit minus 5,000 ringgit 500, and the answer will be 70,000 ringgit 500. So for the S is 21,000 ringgit 371 cents. So we put the numbers on our formula. It will be 1 I equal 21,000 ringgit 371 cents minus 70,500. So I is 3,871 cents. Ringgit. Apartment deposit, justify your answer. So on each 27, you will need to have a 25,000 ringgit. But Nurin only had on 27 years old, Nurin only had 21,000 ringgit 371 cents. So 25,000 ringgit minus 21,371 cents, we got 3,699 ringgit 29 cents. So Nurin does not have enough savings to do apartment deposit. 8,000 ringgit. Down payment was 25%. So we need to find the A first. So A equals 698,000 ringgit multiply 25%. So we put on our calculator, we got 174,000 ringgit 500. And then we minus on the house price is 698,000 ringgit minus 174,000 ringgit 500. So we got 523,000 ringgit 500. And the formula 523,000 ringgit 500 equal 3,500 bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus 0.0375 divided 12 bracket negative and divided 0.0375 divided 12 bracket. So we calculate, we got the 523,500 divided 3,500 equal 1 point bracket 1.00312 bracket negative and divided 0.003,125. So we divided all this, we got 149.57 equal 1 minus bracket 1.003,125 bracket negative n divided 0.003125. And then we calculate again. We got 149,057 bracket 0.003125 bracket equal 101 minus bracket 1.003125 bracket negative, and then we multiply this. We multiply that, we got 0.4674 equal 1 minus bracket 1.003125 bracket, and then we got the position will be bracket 1.003125 bracket negative n equals 0.4326. And next we negative n log the bracket 1.003125 equal log bracket 0.5326 bracket, and then we divided all the logs. We got n equal log bracket 0.5326.
So for question 2, you can find the final answer, which is 4,198 and 62 cents ringgit. Answer for question 3, first question, 10,115 and 41 cents. Final answer for the second question of question 3 is 63,702 ringgit and 30 cents.